Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Haikal Bahar, and I'm a student from English Department, Faculty of Letter and Culture, Universitas Negeri Gorontalo. So, in this video, I would like to present my abstract, proposal, and also what I'm going to do in my research. But first of all, I'm just want to say I'm so sad because of what happened in this entire world recently. There's a fires out there watching us, waiting us, and hunting for us. And it turns out that we have to avoid that virus and keep our body healthy. The effect of the virus is so many, and two of them are we have to work and studies at home, and also many social activities such as organization and also the conference must be cancelled. And one of the event in my department, which is English Student Conference, must be cancelled due to this virus. So that's okay. This video is one of the ways that we can do to make the conference still held for us. Okay, so here I'm going to present my abstract, proposal, and also what I'm going to do in my research. And before I get deeply, so the title of my research is Protagonist and Antagonist Concept, Deconstructing the Maleficent Movie. So what is the Maleficent movie exactly? So Maleficent movie as the object of this research is an American movie film directed by Robert Stromberg and written by screenplay writer, which is Linda Wolverton. The film that released in 2014 tells us about two rival kingdoms that live next to each other. The first kingdom is the normal kingdom, the human kingdom, and led by the arrogant leader. His name is King Stefan. And another one, which is the fairy tale kingdom, the witch kingdom, and the magic kingdom, led by a fairy tale. Her name is Maleficent. And what makes this film is unique and interests me to study this film, because before these two main characters, which is the King Stefan and Maleficent, become mad each other and angry at each other, they once get close and fell in love. But something happened, which is the King Stefan did a betrayal in the Maleficent, so that the Maleficent was going to evil. But this make the film unique, because the first impression that you will see in this film is the King Stefan is the protagonist. He is a good part of this film, and the other hand, the Maleficent is the bad, is because she's evil. She's evil. You can look by their look itself, because the King Stefan is a human like us, but the Maleficent is an evil. She has angry face, and she can magic everything around her. So another point in this film that make this film unique is it contains the changing characterization of these two main characters, which is the King Stefan and then the Maleficent. They both change their character and role from protagonist to antagonist for King Stefan, and from antagonist to protagonist for Maleficent. And this is unique because if you see from the first impression and from the impression itself, you can see that King Stefan is the protagonist because it looks, and the Maleficent is the antagonist because it looks. But no, totally no. You can see that there is a changing characterization from these two main characters, and this study aims to analyze the changing of the characterization of these two main characters. While the research studies the changing characterization of these two main characters, I use binary opposition and the constructive approach using Jacques Derrida theory of deconstruction. So what is deconstruction actually? Deconstruction is a way of thinking critically from the other side. So if one author made a literary works and give us one point of view, so we are as a reader, we have to look it from the another side, not from the point of view that gave by the author. So that is the deconstruction. And I use the qualitative research method with descriptive analysis, and also use the intrinsic elements of text in the film. So while collecting data, I use primary and secondary data. For the primary data, I use the observation technique by watching the Maleficent movie per scene, then observe the scene and also the script. And the secondary data, I use the data that obtained from the internet or the other literature sources that can be used as the references or supporting data to support the primary data. And the last is my assumption. So the assumption of this research is there are some factors that affect the changing of these two main characters, which is the King Stefan and Maleficent movie, and why they changed their role about these two main characters. So I think that's all the presentation from me. If you have a question, you can leave in the comment section. And billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.